Hi, I'm Fernando Hernandez, and this is Dextra's Open House 2024. And I'm so glad to have Simon Shin here with us from Hisense. Simon.
Fernando, hola, ¿cómo estás?
Yo estoy muy bien. Muchas gracias. We're very glad to have you back at Dextra's Open House. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm always happy to be here. Dextra team is always, very supportive, our business, not only business, but also the personally. So I'm always, working with the Dextra team. So
What's your? You're very happy. You're very happy to be here. And sorry that I interrupted you, but I wanted to ask you your experience in Hisense. You've been there for like 2 years, right?
Yeah, 2.5 years.
2.5 years.
Yeah.
And overall in the audio industry and the video industry, 20 years?
Yeah, 20 years with another manufacturer and 2.5 years with Hisense. So total almost 23 years in the professional display market. Yeah.
That's a lot of experience. And we know that Hisense is in the top 3 in residential TV sales in Mexico. What is the brand's position globally?
Yes, we are number 2 TV brand in global, shipment-wise. And in the US market, the TV business is one of our the key business. And we are number 3 or number 4 in the US market. And in Canada, we was number 2. And so globally, as you said, we're number 3, sometimes number 2.
Well, congratulations. So you represent the professional division, and through Dextra, you've been working for just under 2 years. What do you think are the challenges to overcome for growth in Mexico?
Because the Dextra is the only the partner in Mexico, so we are solely dependent on the Dextra's resources and capabilities. So I'm really happy to working with the Dextra team because they are always responsive, very accurate and very supportive. But I want to grow more. Not only city in Guadalajara, but also the other regions, and I want to grow more and faster with the team Dextra. Yeah.
That's great. And so which product from your division do you believe offers the most innovation and value for this market that you want to grow in?
Yeah, our interactive display board is one of our key product lineup. Our
interactive display board?
Interactive display board, interactive whiteboard. So
okay.
Google certified, the supports a lot of the key features for school, classroom, and also the corporate boardroom, the meeting room, the market. So interactive display board is one of our key product that we aggressive offering with the Dextra team. And not only that, we also have a digital signage 18:7 and 24:7 from 32-inch up to 100-inch. So that's one of our key product as well. And in addition, we also have a direct LED all-in-one 136-inch and 163-inch. So we have all the core product lineup we can offer to B2B applications.
And what are Hisense's strengths that integrators should take into account?
We are very flexible, and we are always customer oriented, the partner oriented. So whenever there is the specific requirement from customer, we are always willing to support, help. So our team is very lean and very fast to move. So we are acting, we are a big company, but we're acting like a small company to support in the customer's requirement.
What's your opinion of Dextra and its open house? Sorry, I got caught up in the last question.
Yeah, this is my second time to be in the Dextra open house event. Last year, in the summertime, so a bit hotter than now, but much better temperature this year, so which is good for me. So in a very good time to meet, the people and the partners in Mexican markets. Since I'm based in US, so very hard to meet the customers in the Mexican market. So through this event, I have opportunity to communicate with the people in Mexican market, potential customers, always, and also the Dextra team. So always, happy to work with them. So very great opportunity for me, for our company, to meet many people in the Mexico market.
I mean, you just talked about the weather. It's better this time.
Oh yeah. One thing. So Hisense is also the big in sport. So you probably saw the name in many sports events, especially soccer. Mexico is a soccer country. So
yeah, we're a
so
soccer country.
So Hisense was one of the official sponsors for previous World Cup game, so Euro Cup. Mm-hmm. And the next coming World Cup,
in 2026.
Mexico, US, and Canada. So I think most probably will be another official sponsor. So it will be a good opportunity to expose, our brand, not only consumer but also the commercial screens. So.
My last question for you is: what is the advice that you have for integrators?
Integrators, the Mexican market is somewhat different from the US market. Still, many consumer TVs are used in commercial applications. But, when consumer TV is used for commercial applications, there are kind of warranty issue and service issue and even quality issue is expected. So integrators in Mexico, I think they should focus more on the commercial grade screens rather than the consumer TV screens. Initial cost might be higher than using consumer TV, but in the end, in the long term, it will be more cost and effective solution for them, also for their customers. So I really want to want them focus to promote commercial display screen rather than the consumer rated screens.
That's a very direct advice that you're giving to the integrators. That's amazing, and we're going to leave it there. That's going to be our last question here. Thank you very much, Simon, to be here.
Thank you
for being here. It's very nice to meet you, and nice phrase that you said at the beginning in Spanish. Can you repeat that? Can you say goodbye in Spanish?
Hasta la vista.
Hasta la vista. Hasta la vista, Dextra. I'm Fernando Hernandez. This has been another installment of Dextra's Open House 2024. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.